Welcome back to 50 Car. In a dazzling display of innovation, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Concept emerges as a masterpiece where raw performance meets poetic design. The exterior captivates with an aggressive front grille, razor-sharp LED headlamps, and sculpted body contours that evoke the essence of a predatory beast. Every curve and line is meticulously crafted to balance futuristic flair with a nod to Lamborghini's storied heritage, though its bold aesthetics might challenge traditional purists. Inside, the cabin transforms into a high-tech sanctuary featuring a fully digital dashboard seamlessly integrated with luxurious materials and intuitive controls. Ergonomic seats, ambient lighting, and refined finishes create an inviting atmosphere, yet the minimalist layout may leave some longing for classic opulence. Under the hood, a formidable engine roars to life, delivering breathtaking acceleration and a top speed that thrills every enthusiast. While advanced aerodynamics and precision handling ensure an exhilarating driving experience. However, potential concerns include elevated maintenance costs and complex part replacements that might strain warranty terms. Marketed as an elite supercar, the Huracan Concept is priced to reflect its rarity and groundbreaking technology, targeting both youthful speed seekers and mature collectors who appreciate Italian excellence. Competing against industry titans, it offers a unique blend of art and engineering that redefines modern performance. Additional features such as customizable exterior options, exclusive accessory packages, and extended warranty plans further enhance its appeal, making this concept a compelling testament to Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of perfection.